Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel and welcome to the reading for the month of September. For this reading I am using the coffee cup, and then I will be drawing out cards from the Tarot of the Divine deck here, and then I will be also reading from the rune stones that I'll be drawing out from this bag. All right, okay, lovely Pisces. Please also do like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thank you very much. Okay, Pisces. There is somebody that's going to be in communication with you that you didn't think you would hear from, but you do. Leaves you with a big smile on your face. I'm seeing like it makes you happy. It's yes, communication that you weren't expecting comes through. There were some unresolved feelings with whoever is contacting you, but now you get to actually work through that. But I do see, it also says to just, do keep your guard up a little bit. Because you don't want that distance again without understanding what happened, or what was going on. Something about the time is, you feel like the time is ticking. Something feels like it's never ending, and you're wanting it to just stop, to finish some sort of closure. But it's like tick-tock is what I'm seeing. And it shows that you are, in fact, the one that can be in charge of this time by deciding something very, very important. If you've been waiting on someone else, let's say, you make the decision now. If you've been waiting on somebody else's decision, they've been dragging their feet, you make the decision. Put your foot, I do see you putting your foot down. If you do this, then, oh gosh, it's like a whole other world will open up for you. And I do see you're on your way. It's like there's this like you're charging ahead, but you don't necessarily know exactly where you're going to end up, but you don't have to know. What matters is what you're doing right now, the actions that you're taking right now, and that you are going forward. That's already, like, you've already won at that stage. There's something about cash, savings, money, depositing money, like something to do with your finances is being resolved as well. Something that is looking better, but you're also being very, like, I don't know, something about you being frank or practical about your finances. You're wanting to be in full control over it, trying to make sure there are no arguments around finances here. Emotional support I'm seeing that you are getting, which is good. And this is what's showing me, is that the universe is trying to send you, it's like it can see when it's a good time to get that emotional response, and not to shut the door on that. Because maybe you think, no, I'm good. But then something happens, and it's a beautiful change. It's a beautiful shift here. It's something that is soft, and perhaps somebody around you is soft-spoken, and you realize, oh, this, this is actually good, and you're enjoying it, enjoying sharing personal matters, opening your heart as well. It doesn't have to be something dark and sad. It's actually the opposite. Your mind is clearing up. There's something that you're feeling like you need to express, and that you are opening up to as well. You have freedom here. You have a choice to make, and it will in fact be a lot easier than what you thought when you're faced with it because of all these different shifts that you've been going through, Pisces. I do see that you will always be full. You'll always have more than enough. There's some great satisfaction that's coming in that you're going to be very pleased about, very happy. Some business deal, something here that goes right. I get a very specific message here about ice skating, or skateboard. If that's you, there's something in here for you. Okay. All right, let's see what the cards have for you. 9 of Swords, the Hierophant, and the 3 of Wands. All right. 9 of Swords, the Hierophant, and the 3 of Wands. Realizing that with all this nervous energy or whatever kind of perhaps anxiety or stress that you have, or the overthinking, that you need to do something about it, which is really good. And again, I get the message about the universe connecting with you, allowing it to help you, is the biggest first step for you as well. There is something that, you know, there are if somebody around you has been causing you some anxiety or angst or anything like that, you know, they don't deserve to be around you. And I do see you're finding the willpower, the strength within you to overcome this and realize that you're so much better than you know, any kind of negative energy around you, and you deserve to continue going up. There are opportunities that are so much better for you out there. It's like as soon as you just turn around, turn that corner, I see it coming towards you. And there is something about 3 of Coins. Okay, all right, lovely. There's something about you that sets you apart from the rest as well, Pisces. You know, and it's like thrive in that. Just thrive in who you are. The Devil and the 3 of Coins. There is here with the Devil. Okay, I get a kind of a particular message here about a long-term relationship, whatever kind of relationship this is. That you've had your battles and it's very kind of a little bit up and down and so forth, but now it comes the time to bring in that stability to actually work in it. There's something that's being focused, and the Devil shows up, you know, showing certain flaws, and there's something that I see, perhaps also a habit that you're kicking. And the 3 of Coins is like, okay, you're working together. There's something that you're securing, that you're becoming a lot more stable with, you know, and what I do see, feeling a lot more free with this as well, avoiding any kind of negative temptations of any kind. Yes, yep, totally going very clear on that path. And the Page of Coins, I like this because this is bringing you something of good news, a positive change here. And it's something that you felt was very much in the distance, but it is getting closer. It is actually, it's not as far as you think. This is like a new day beginning, a dawn, you know, starting for you. It's like what I'm seeing here with the Page of Coins, rise and shine, you know, that's the atmosphere happening around you. You're looking forward to something new, and something that's very engaging as well. There's attraction, strong pulling attraction that you have. That's very, very special. Whatever it is that you want to do, you face it in a very good, positive way. You get it done. You're making your mark in some way. That's what I'm seeing here, Pisces. Love it. Okay, Let's see what the cards have for you. Pisces, Pisces, Pisces. You know what I see? You've outgrown some situation. You've outgrown a situation, a place, a connection. And you're becoming very much your own, very independent. Okay. Onwards and upwards to some great success. All right, I'll be pulling out 3 cards. This is the gas. Oh my gosh, I think all of you water signs have gotten the gas. So funny. All right, and this is Evas. And then we have, okay, this is a clear one because this is meant to be Oros. So the clear, which is not in my bag, it's missing. But since I have a clear one, this will be the rune Oros, just to let you know. And they're all great runes here. So Dagaz is a wonderful rune of breakthroughs. Dawn! I was saying as a new dawn is starting. This is the rune of dawn. Of the breakthrough, of dawn, a new day, having this awareness. What a beautiful confirmation. Starting out very, very strong and pulling in those energies. You know, it's what I do see is creating that space, that path for you to, for it to be clear. And Evaz is the rune of partnership, of going forward. And it's how you go forward, how you transport yourself, the road that you take, the choices that you take with this. And there's a lot of power in what you choose going forward here with Evaz. And then we have the rune of Oros. Oros is the rune of strength, of power. It's your courage to be able to, you know, give an answer, whether it's no or yes, and stick by that as well. I do see you being transported, you know, into a new era, a new chapter in your life. And it's because you have that courage to do that. You know, that willpower to keep you going. And financially, I see you're going to be very stable. That's something that's just come through. So I think it's fantastic for you, Pisces. Thank you so very much for being here. I really hope that this was helpful. Please do let me know. I appreciate all of you so very much. Do take care. And until next time.